Chat.
Hi, my name is Armighty May. I'm the president and founder of the Veterinary Association for the Protection of Animals. Our mission is to raise awareness about the benefits of veganism to the veterinary community. We want to show veterinarians, veterinary technicians, and other support professionals why it's important to be vegan and support them in the process to becoming vegan. Through documentary screenings, educational presentations, vegan food cooking demonstrations, and we also want to empower vet schools to offer humane surgical teaching methods so that vet students don't have to kill healthy animals in order to become veterinarians.